Hello and welcome back to my channel, the channel dedicated to solving all your iPhone and iPad issues. Struggling with the unable to check for update message while trying to install iOS 18? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to fix this problem and ensure your update goes through without a hitch. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that these iPhone models compatible with iOS 18. And these phones are iPhone XR, iPhone XS, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 13 Mini, 13, 30 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and the extra. Now let's start to update iOS 18 into our phone. First of all, you have to push start button and volume button together and you have to restart your phone. Push the button together and there will show a screen bar in your iPhone screen. You have to, as you can see here, is you have to slide into right corner and your phone will restart. After restarting, you will be able, I think, to install iOS 18. Okay, unlock your phone passcode, and the second option is you have to go to the settings bar. You have to click on settings, go back in the main section bar, you have to click on general and scroll down. Here is transfer or reset iPhone. You have to click on that. You have to tap on that. Once you have to click on reset, and here is reset network setting. You have to tap on that. Please tap on that and give it passcode, your phone passcode, and then click on reset network settings. Once you did it, you have to wait for the few moments until it gets started back into the main display. Once it get back to the main display, you have to unlock your phone passcode. After unlocking your phone, you have to reconnect with the strong Wi-Fi network. Once you have connected with a strong Wi-Fi, you have to go back in the settings sections. You have to click on the general and then tap on software update. Okay, as you can see, I have already updated my software iOS 18 version by applying these fixes. You were able to install iOS 18 in your phone. Thank you so much for watching this video.